Alright, so jumping straight into the first part of this video, which is going to be me discussing the most important things that you need to know when it comes to building an affiliate marketing website, specifically if you're looking to promote products on Amazon. So I'm going to take you through all of the steps that you need to know, but I'm going to show you an example of a website that is promoting products on Amazon right now, just so that you have an example of the site that you're going to build. So I'm going to type into Google a search term that just came to my head, which is best laptops to buy 2023, and then click on search. Now you're going to see a wide variety of different websites selling different products, but let's click on this one over here. So as you can see, it's a very simple website. They're not necessarily selling the products themselves. All they're doing is reviewing them and ranking them from number 1 to number 10. And they're doing this with a wide variety of different products from multiple different categories, as you can see over here. But the interesting thing is, on the right hand side, as you can see, they've got an Amazon affiliate link to each and every single product. So when someone lands on their website and then they click into, let's say, this one over here, it's going to take the person directly to Amazon. And if I was to buy this laptop, add it to my basket and buy it now, the person that owns this website is going to be able to earn a commission. So this is definitely a great example of the type of website that you're going to be able to build yourself. Before you to be able to take the first step and do this yourself, you're going to need to get hosting. Every single website on the internet is built using hosting, so you're going to have to do the exact same thing. Some hosting options out there are really expensive, and there's other ones that are quite cheap. Like for example, Hostinger is one of the hosting packages that I tend to recommend to beginners because it's very easy to use. And not only that, if you use the link in my description down below, you're going to be able to save up to 75%. And in addition to that, if you also use my discount code, you're going to be able to get a further discount. But whichever hosting company that you decide to go with, let's say for example, if you do decide to go with Hostinger, once you create your account and you log in, this is going to be a similar page to what you're going to see. And from here, you're going to have the option to choose from one of their already made templates. So for example, if I just click on blog over here, you're going to be able to use any one of these different templates and apply it to your website with a few clicks of a button. Or if you wanted to build your website using AI, you've also got that option too. If I just click on try AI website builder, and then it's going to take you to a similar page that looks like this. So if I just click on this option, from here you're going to have to answer these 3 different questions: the brand name of your website, website type, and description. And once you have entered in all of this information, within a few minutes your website should be built, and of course from there you're going to be able to make any changes that you need to. Alright guys, so moving on to the second traffic source that I would recommend that you build up as a beginner before thinking about applying to the Amazon Associates program, so that you can increase your chances of being accepted, which is a product review faceless YouTube channel. And the way that this works is that you're going to release videos on a regular basis about specific products that are on Amazon that people are searching for. Again, you don't have to show your face, and you don't even have to use your own voice if you don't want to. And there's a very simple step-by-step process that you need to be aware of when it comes to building up this traffic source. So to show you an example of someone that's doing this right now as we speak, if I just jump onto YouTube and type in any search term again that just popped into my head, which is best smartwatch to buy right now, and then click on search, and straight away, as you guys can see, there's multiple different videos from multiple different channels. Some of them might be showing their face, others might not be showing their face, but whichever direction that you wanted to go down, you're going to be able to replicate the exact same thing and make similar videos. And I can guarantee that if I click on any one of these random videos right here, they're going to have Amazon links in their description. So let's click on this one and then scroll down to the description just like that, and yep, as you guys can see over here, they've got all of these Amazon affiliate links that when someone clicks into any one of them, the person that's running this YouTube channel again is going to be able to make a portion of the money that has been spent on whatever product the customer buys. And when it comes to being able to do this yourself, one of the first things that you're going to need to do is go over to youtube.com, create your account, come up with a name for your channel. There's an entire process that goes into this, and I'm going to be explaining later on in this video exactly how you can go through the initial steps. But what I want to primarily focus on in today's video is showing you exactly how you can create your first ever video by using ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go through the most important points. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to do when it comes to making any video, let's stick with the example of the best smartwatches to buy. What you're going to do is find the best smartwatches for you to put into your video. And there's so many different ways that you can do it, but you can do it by going over to the Amazon best sellers page. Once you're over here, depending on whatever video you're going to make, you're going to click on the category on the left hand side over here. So because this is about smartwatches, I'm going to click on electronics and photo. Then what I'm going to do is click on wearable technology. And on this page, Amazon are going to rank the best wearable technologies from number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So it's going to be my job now to pick out all of the top smartwatches. As we can see, there's one right here, there's another one over here. And then what I'm going to do is copy all of the descriptions and the titles for all of these different watches, paste them into a Word document just like this. Then what I'm going to do is just log into my ChatGPT account for it to make a YouTube video script for me that I'm going to be able to copy and paste into a video maker, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a moment. But first things first, I need to ask it something like, I'm going to paste the title and description for 5 smartwatches. Can you use the information from each watch to make a YouTube video script for a faceless product review video? The intention is to earn affiliate commissions with the links in the description. Is that okay? And then click on send message. And then it came back and said all of this stuff, but most importantly, it says it'll be more than happy to create a product review video script. So what I'm going to do now is just go back over to the Word document just like this, copy all of these watches, go back over to ChatGPT and paste it in there just like this. And straight away, it's now come back with the entire script that I'm going to be able to use to make the faceless video. So I'm just going to copy it just like this. And if you're following along with everything that I'm doing, you're going to need an InVideo account, because this is what you're going to use when it comes to using their feature called AI text to video. It's going to be able to create the video for you so that you don't have to use your own face and your own voice. So I've just logged into my account, and what I'm going to need to do is select a template. You're going to have all of these different options, but the one that I'm going to use is this one over here. Then I'm going to click on use template. Then what I'm going to do is just paste the script from ChatGPT into this section. So I am going to have to go through all of the text, make sure that I'm happy with it. Once I am happy with it, I'm going to make sure that these options over here are selected. Then from there, what I'm going to do is just click on create scenes. All right, perfect. So it's now come back with this first draft that I'm going to be able to make some changes to. And I've already added the voiceover to the initial part of the video just so that I can play a little bit of it so that you can hear how it sounds. So let me just click on play.
Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest products from around the world. In this video, we will be exploring the top 5 trending smartwatches to buy right now. These smartwatches are not only packed with incredible features, but are also budget friendly.
Okay, so there you go. That's basically what the video is going to look like. And again, I'm going to be able to make any changes that I want to. I'm going to be able to use all of these different stock videos on the left hand side over here. And once I'm happy with everything and I've finalized everything as well, I'm going to be able to download it using the best quality. But it's very important that I emphasize to you guys that this video was just me showing you the basics of what you need to know when it comes to starting these 2 traffic sources. I've been able to generate over $100,000 in affiliate profits over the past year or so, for the fact that I understand exactly how to build up these traffic sources in the best possible way. And I'm always getting questions from you guys that are asking me, Sam, what do I need to know step by step when it comes to building a blog website? What do I need to know step by step when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing with a YouTube channel? So that's the reason why I created the affiliate marketing project that could be found at www.affiliatemarketingproject.com. Over there, what I've done is gone through everything that I believe a beginner needs to know if they want to start earning a passive source of income in their sleep with an online business. One of the best ones, in my opinion, which is affiliate marketing, because you don't have to own the product, you don't have to build any product. All you're simply going to do is build up a traffic source and make sure that you're doing everything in the best possible way to attract the best type of people to click on your affiliate links. So if you want to learn everything that goes into building up an affiliate marketing business as a beginner, then make sure that you visit the link that's on the screen right now, or you can click the link, the first one in the description down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well, hit the bell notification. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some other important things that you need to know about making money online from scratch as a beginner, then make sure that you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.